Namaste. Welcome to our day 8 30 days yoga challenge. Today we will work onto our belly and abs. So let's come into the plank. Fifteen-second. Then bring your feet slightly forward. Bend your knee, push your hip back. And back to the plank. Adjust, keep your body in a straight line. Bend your knee, slightly feet forward, hip back. And back to the plank. Bend your knee, bring your feet slightly forward, push your hip back, and bring your legs into cat. Inhale, right arm, left leg back. Then bend the left knee, grab with your right hand, lift your head up, and try bring your hands and leg as high up as possible. Balance. Exhale down, chain the hand and leg. Inhale, bend the knee, grab with your hands, lift your head up, inhale. Exhale down. Then bring your left elbow onto the ground. Twist yourself to the side for the side plank. Right arm up. 10 or 15 seconds. Switch to the other side. Right elbow on the ground. Switch to the right. One more time. Towards the left. Left elbow on the ground. Right arm up. And to the right. One more time. Towards the left. Left elbow on the ground. Right arm up. and to the right. Go back into cat. Stretch your leg back into plank. Then bring your elbows onto the ground and push back into plank. Elbows onto the ground, push back, elbows down, push back, elbows down, push back, elbows down, push back. Stay for 10 seconds. Bring your knee on the ground, open your legs, relax in child pose. Gently sit up. Give thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.